Open the generator door, verify the positive wire is attached to the battery, push the throttle lever into position, press and hold pre-warmer for 30 seconds, and turn the key.